because I had two injuries. I had torn meniscus, my knee was bothering me, as well as I had a torn labrum in my shoulder. And after consultation with Dr. Tehrany, I did both surgeries within a span of several months. And I'm an athlete. I train every day. I train in Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, which is pretty rigorous on your body. And after the surgeries with the doctor, I was able to come back to competing and actually was able to win Boston Open in my category. So I have just good things to say about Dr. Tehrany and highly recommend him to anyone who wants to fix their injuries. Thank you.